Hello, student. Welcome to new video. Today, we are going to learn days, months, and dates in English in a very easy and clear way. This lesson is specially made for beginners, so don't worry. Listen carefully and repeat after me when you practice later. First, let us talk about days of the week. In English, there are 7 days in a week. We start with Monday. Monday is the first working day for many people. After Monday comes Tuesday. Then we have Wednesday. Wednesday is a long word, but we pronounce it like Wednesday. After Wednesday comes Thursday. Thursday sounds like Thursday. Next is Friday. Friday is the last working day in many countries. After Friday comes Saturday. Saturday is a holiday for many people. And the last day of the week is Sunday. Sunday is usually a rest day. Let us repeat all days again slowly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, let us use days in simple sentences. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday. I go to school on Monday. I work on Friday. Sunday is a holiday. Always remember, days start with a capital letter in English. This is very important. Now, let us move to months of the year. In English, there are 12 months in a year. The first month is January. January is very cold in many countries. After January comes February. February is the shortest month. Then we have March. March is the start of spring in many places. After March comes April. April is a pleasant month. Then comes May. May is warm and beautiful. After May comes June. June is the start of summer. Then we have July. July is very hot in many countries. After July comes August. August is also hot. Then comes September. September is the start of autumn. After September comes October. October has nice weather. Then comes November. November is cool. And the last month of the year is December. December is cold and full of holidays. Let us repeat the months together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Remember, months also start with capital letters in English. Now, let us make simple sentences with months. My birthday is in March. School starts in August. I will travel in December. January is very cold. We use in with months. For example, in January, in February, in March. Now, let us learn about dates in English. Dates tell us the day, the month, and sometimes the year. For example, today is 5th January. My birthday is 10th March. The exam is on 15th August. In English, dates have special endings. 1 becomes first, 2 becomes second, 3 becomes third, 4 becomes fourth, 5 becomes fifth. Let us see some examples. 1st January, 2nd February, 3rd March, 4th April, 5th May, 10th June, 21st July, 22nd August, 23rd September, 30th October. When we speak dates, we say January 1st, March 10th, August 15th. When we write dates, we write 1st January, 10th March, 15th August. Now, let us make full sentences with dates. Today is 7th February. My birthday is on 12th June. The meeting is on 25th December. We use on with dates. For example, on 5th May, on 14th August. So remember, in is with months, on is with days and dates. Now, let us do a quick revision. There are 7 days in a week. There are 12 months in a year. Days and months always start with capital letters. We use in with months. We use on with days and dates. This lesson will help you speak English correctly in daily life, especially when you talk about time, schedules, birthdays, and events. Keep practicing these words every day. Practice speaking, practice writing, and slowly your English will become better and better.